Well, hello there, ladies and gents. I'm Tammy Sipnewski, and you are watching Clear Cryptos. In this video, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin Depot, who is the biggest provider of Bitcoin ATM machines, and their bid to go public to the tune of $885 million. Now, they're not going the old-fashioned route of an IPO. Rather, they're using a SPAC, or a special purpose acquisition company, and we've seen a few other companies go this way. One famously is Cipher Mining. And earlier this year, Circle, who is the owner of USDC stablecoin, they also announced that they're going to be doing a SPAC of their own. And a SPAC is basically a shell corporation that raises money from its investors in order to take that company public. So let's take a little peek at some this little map here showing some of the different ATM machines around the United States. Fun fact, which city has the most Bitcoin ATM machines? You guessed it. It happens to be Los Angeles. Everybody knew that. And right behind there is Chicago. So the right time, founded in 2016, Bitcoin Depot lays claim to being the biggest provider of Bitcoin ATMs in North America, owning some 7,000 kiosks across the US and Canada. This is, however, is still only around a fifth of the total number of Bitcoin kiosks across the nation. The US remains one of the healthiest markets for Bitcoin ATMs, as home to 87% of all kiosks around the world. Growth has remained strong for Bitcoin Depot in the short term, even as the rest of the cryptosphere has wrestled with the harsh winds of the crypto winter. As Chief Executive Brandon Mintz told the Wall Street Journal on Thursday, "We're actually doing fantastic right now, regardless of the market." The second quarter saw the company beating sales and earnings targets, achieving records in both areas. Mintz puts this down to increasing use case for cryptocurrency, including payments for physical items and sending money overseas. A highly competitive market, the U.S. is undoubtedly the most competitive market for Bitcoin ATMs anywhere in the world. America has over 30,000 Bitcoin ATMs, while the nearest nation, Canada, has 2,400. So that's a big difference. Despite claims to be a crypto-friendly nation, the UK has no Bitcoin ATMs at all after the Financial Conduct Authority ordered all operators to shut down their activities. Besides Bitcoin Depot, other major competitors in the US include Bitquick, Athena, CoinCloud, CoinFlip, CardCoins, Crypto Dispensers, CoinZoom, and Azteco, which also has coverage in Australia and Europe. Customers who use Bitcoin ATMs overwhelmingly use the machines to buy Bitcoin, with 77.5% of the customers using them to stack sats. The remaining user base uses the machine to both buy and sell Bitcoin. No customers use Bitcoin ATMs to only sell cryptocurrency. That last little paragraph right there was very interesting to me. So number one, in case you don't know what stack sats is, it's basically stacking Satoshis, where people are, DCAing into Bitcoin. Picture it like an old-fashioned coin jar. Every now and then you throw some coins in there to get a larger sum of money, and cash it in. People are DCAing into Bitcoin with these ATM machines. 77% of people are buying Bitcoin with these ATM machines. The rest of them are buying and selling, but nobody is only cashing out of these ATM machines, which is crazy, because I think when people think about Bitcoin ATM machines, they're picturing people withdrawing tons and tons of cash, right? Clearly, let me go back here. That's what the FCA, the Financial Conduct Authority, must have thought when they banned the Bitcoin ATM machines. They probably thought this was a great way to do some illegal trading, maybe getting some money for some illegal stuff, when that's clearly not happening if you're looking statistically at what is going on with our Bitcoin machines. Now, it's true, if you do want to withdraw cash from a Bitcoin ATM, it's very expensive. It's 10% of whatever it is that you'd like to withdraw. So that's a nice, healthy sum. works completely different with centralized banks. You use your ATM, sometimes it's free, or if you're using a different ATM that's connected to your bank, you might pay a small fee of just a few dollars, but 10% of your transaction, that's a lot of money. So that could be one of the big deterrents why people are not using the ATM machines to withdraw the cash. A small percentage, are doing buys and sells, but no one is just doing selling, which I found to be an incredible fact. Speaking of facts, if you enjoy fun facts like I do, I was very interested, being that Bitcoin Depot is raising 885 million to go public. What was the company that had the largest IPO in history? It was Saudi Aramco. They raised almost $26 billion. And in second place was Alibaba, raising almost $22 billion. Well, that's going to do it here for me today. I will catch you next time on Clear Cryptos. Take care.